So if you are thinking about relocating to Clovis, California, and you are in search of a gorgeous, a luxury, updated, single-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, almost 2,500 square feet, and if a pool is important to you, a paid solar, as well as other additional energy-efficient features, such as a whole house fan quiet series, stay to the end. We get to showcase 3476 Trenton Lane here at Harlan Ranch Development, specifically in this gorgeous gated community called Barclay Square. Stay to the end. We get to invite you to this beautiful listing from my colleague Mike Papace here on 3476 Trenton Lane in Barclay Square in Harlan Ranch. Stay tuned. This is absolutely gorgeous. So as you step in this serene landscape in the back, you truly appreciate what I do. At the time of this video, it's about over 90 degrees, and we've got a custom covered area insulated, and I so do appreciate that when I'm shooting video over 90 degrees. And you've got the serenity, soothing pool, very well maintained, mature landscape, low maintenance, absolutely gorgeous. A lot of entertainment here in the backyard as well. Another great feature of this home, again, single story, and that there is a custom step-in jetted tub called a safe step. Absolutely soothing, and you gotta climb into it, and a great feature of the home. Now we head into the owner's suite, and all throughout the house we have plantation shutters, custom, and those will be items of inclusion upon the purchase of this beautiful home. Owner's suite bathroom, dual sinks, granite countertops, tub, upright shower. You gotta love the walk-in closet. It's very vast in here. Commode. Also a nice laundry facility and easy access to the garage area. So one of the great features of this home on 3476 Trenton Lane is it resides within the Harlan Ranch community. And what are the great features of Harlan Ranch? It is one of the more premier Clovis communities here in the Central Valley. Easy access, especially up the 168 and Shepherd Avenue. Really noted for the holistic community, on-site Clovis Unified Schools. Also, you have access to an Olympic-sized pool and clubhouse area, picnic areas, and great backdrops for weddings, graduations, and most importantly, the activities at the Harlan Ranch are through the roof, especially here at Barclay Square. One of the noted features from the cellar, as noted during Halloween, one of the best areas to showcase family. You feel safe and incredible community participation during Halloween. So if any of these features pique your interest, we would be honored to establish a private showing with you at 3476 Trenton Lane. Be sure to comment below with the word Trenton. Or so if the features such as Clovis Unified School Districts are important to you, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, single story, energy conscious features such as a solar owned. We do have a quiet series of a whole house fam throughout, and all these numerous upgrades. Honored to provide you a private showing on 3476 Trenton Lane. It is absolutely